Good morning, students of class 6. Yesterday we had seen that in the lesson Macbeth, he was discussing with his wife that the third prophecy was that he will become king. The witch had prophesied that, the third witch had prophesied that he will become king. And the second prophecy that he will become the Thane of Cawdor had come true. So now he was wondering whether the third prophecy will also come true or not. So let us now go to the next page and see what happens next in our lesson. Today is the 21st. Please open to the next page. So he was wondering whether he will become king or whether the third prophecy will come true or not. So, now let's see what happens next. Yes, you will, said his wife fiercely. And we can't lose this opportunity. Let's murder King Duncan when he comes here tonight as our guest. So, what does his wife say? His wife says fiercely, that is fiercely meaning in an angry and an aggressive way. What does she say? Yes, you will become king. Okay. And she said that they cannot lose this opportunity. They should murder King Duncan when he comes to their house today as a guest. So this is their plan. Okay. This is what she tells Macbeth, his wife. Okay. So Macbeth was full of horror at this plan. But the thought of becoming king seized him completely. So he was really full of horror listening to this plan of his wife. But he really wanted to become king. Okay. And so that night, when King Duncan was asleep, a trembling figure crept into the room quickly so that he would not have time to think. Macbeth stabbed Duncan with the 2 daggers his wife had placed there. So that night when Duncan came to visit him, that night King Duncan was sleeping. Okay. At that time, while King Duncan was sleeping, a trembling figure, meaning a figure who was scared, crept into the room, means came quietly into the room. And quickly, so that he did not have much time to think, Macbeth stabbed Duncan with 2 daggers. What is daggers? Daggers is short pointed knives. Okay, so he stabbed King Duncan with 2 daggers which his wife had placed there. Okay, the terrible deed was done. So this terrible deed was done. They have killed King Duncan. In the morning, all hell broke loose. All hell broke loose means there was lots of noise and confusion that the king is dead. Okay. The king had been murdered. There was horror everywhere. So the king is dead. The king was murdered, and so there's horror everywhere. Everyone is scared. Everyone is confused. Everyone, is scared. No one was safe. Malcolm and Donalbain, Duncan's sons and the rightful heirs to the throne, fled from Scotland, fearing for their lives. So his 2 sons also, who was actually the rightful heirs to the throne meaning they were supposed to be the next kings. His sons were supposed to be the next kings, obviously, but because of the fear of their father being murdered, both his sons fled from Scotland. Fled meaning ran away from Scotland, fearing that they will also be killed. Fearing for their lives, they fled away from Scotland. In time, the nobles agreed that Macbeth should be the next king. So as his sons have gone away, they have fled away, the nobles have now agreed that Macbeth should be their next king. So now you can see that the third prophecy is also coming true. But it was all a master plan. He was a mighty general and a person whom the king had loved. The third prophecy made by the witches had now come to pass. Had come to pass meaning it has come true. Soon Scotland became a gloomy kingdom. Okay. Gloomy meaning like very like scared, very sad condition. Okay. There was fear everywhere. So everyone was always scared. Macbeth himself was still troubled by the witch's prophecy about Banquo and cleverly arranged for Banquo to be murdered. So what was Banquo's prophecy which the witches had made? The witches told Banquo that he will not be king but his sons will be king. So this really affected and troubled Macbeth. Okay. So he also cleverly arranged for Banquo to be murdered. Okay, so he cleverly arranged that Banquo also should be murdered. When Macbeth held a feast to which he invited all the nobles, feast, means like, they had a, whole ceremony where many people came and there was, celebration, food and all that. Okay. So he held a feast in which all the noble people were invited. All the noble people came. That day, Banquo's ghost appeared, smeared with blood, means covered with full blood, to take his seat at the table. So Banquo's ghost covered with blood came to take the seat on the table. Okay. Macbeth's horror knew no bounds. Macbeth was totally very scared on seeing Banquo's ghost. He began to go mad with fear. So he began to turn mad with fear. Obviously, if you see a ghost, you will feel very scared. So when he saw Banquo's ghost, he got extremely scared. So we will study only this much today. Okay. Let us go to the word meanings for today. Some difficult word meanings are given to you. You have to write them in your English literature copy. Learn the word meanings well. Number 1, fiercely, in an angry, aggressive way. Number 2, daggers, short pointed knives. Number 3, all hell broke loose, meaning suddenly there was a lot of noise and confusion. Number 4, rightful heirs to the throne, meaning they were supposed to be the next king. So, you will learn this well and write it in your English literature copy. That's all for today, students. We will continue the rest of the chapter in the next class. Below my video, the PPT is there. You can click on the PPT, download it into your device and read it well at home and learn the word meanings well. The rest of the chapter we will continue in the next class. Thank you, students, and God bless you.